In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change background with Kling AI. First, open your browser and go to the official Kling AI website. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and choose Generate. This takes you into the creation workspace where all the editing tools live. At the top of this workspace, you'll see separate sections for images and for videos. Start by clicking Images so the interface loads that panel, then click Videos to move into the Video tab, which is where we'll handle background changes for moving footage. Next, find the video you want to adjust and click it to select. You'll see a preview and basic details. Choose Modify to bring up the available editing actions, then click Edit to enter the full editor. Here's where the magic happens. In the prompt field, describe the new background you want, and be clear about what should remain unchanged. For example, you might write, keep the person and their motion, replace the background with a sunny beach at golden hour, cinematic lighting, natural colors. Specific, concise language helps Kling preserve your subject while swapping the environment. If you have a mood or style in mind, like vintage film, neon cyberpunk, or documentary clean, include that as well, but avoid overloading the prompt with conflicting styles. With your prompt ready, use the Generate button at the top to proceed. Before rendering, you'll choose a few settings. Select a quality level that matches your needs. Higher quality delivers more detail and cleaner edges around your subject, but it may take longer to process. Pick the desired length for the output so it fits the clip or platform you're targeting. Then set the video ratio 16, 9 for horizontal, 9:16 for vertical, or 1 for square. So compositions and crops look correct wherever you plan to post. Decide how many outputs you want. Multiple outputs give you variations on the same prompt, which is great for creative choices, but they'll require extra processing time and resources. When everything looks right, click Generate to start the background replacement. Kling will process the clip and return your results in the gallery. Review the outputs, and if you want a slightly different look, you can return to Edit, refine the prompt, and run it again using the same settings. That's it. Your background is changed with just a few guided choices in Kling AI. Thanks for watching and happy creating.